guys, it's your girl Rochelle with 31 Gifts, and I'm back for more. I know we're still in January, but I want to get you guys ready for next month's special. But first, if you love 31 products, if you love bags, if you love totes, if you love tips on how to make your life a little easy, or if you love giveaways and freebies, or you just want to be entertained and have fun, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, or write a comment. Give me a shout out below. Oh yeah, and make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video. I do have a current giveaway, and I will put up a link somewhere around here so that you can check out. It's one of 31's newest products in its newest print, so don't miss out on that one. And stay tuned for next month's giveaway. Here we go. One of the many uses I use the mini storage bins at my house is by placing 2 bins, one for each kid, at the base of my staircase. Somehow, all their things end up downstairs and I get collection after collection. I put them in the bins to remind them to take them upstairs and to put them away. Isn't that great? So for February special, not only will you get one for $15, but you get to get 2. How awesome is that? As for me, one's for my girl and one's for my little boy. So, as I mentioned earlier in this video, I am doing a giveaway, and it is for this exact product right here. I will put a link up here, somewhere below. This is the new crossbody organization tote in Fab Flourish. Check out that print, girls. Isn't she beautiful? So if you want to enter to get a chance to one of these, go ahead and check out that video. I will also attach the flyer to the February special for specific details and specific prints that are available. And don't forget to subscribe and watch more. I will also attach a link to the catalog so you can actually see what's inside. So let's get to shopping, girls.